Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak to you about something that you must know, you absolutely must know to change your life. Yes, this is something that everyone that has ever been successful in anything in their life had to have this one habit. So today I want to give you a short video about something that can absolutely change your life forever. Something that has to be part of your characteristics if you want to get places in this world and make accomplishments that you're seeking. So watch this short video all the way to the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical Life Coaching channel that's designed to bring information to you in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. So let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I want to tell you that you must know to change your life? This is very simple, and what I want to tell you is that it is often overlooked. The one thing that I want to tell you that you must develop, that you must know that is a big factor in what you get in life is that you have to make decisions. Okay, you're probably saying, Yvette, a video on decisions? This is very important. Everything that you do in life is based on the decision. You get married, you go to work, you go have children. All of these things, all the way going down to getting up in the morning, is a decision. Based on what your decisions are, is where your life is going to lead you. Now listen, a lot of things we do in our lives is done with our physical senses. It has nothing really to do with our higher thinking, our higher knowledge. And that is our imagination and our intuition. We have things that are inside of us that help guide us along our path to get to where we need to go. But we have to make a decision. So now let's talk a little bit about decisions and how is it stopping you from getting where you want to go. You get up in the morning, it's a decision. A lot of people get up in the morning and they dread getting up in the morning. They don't want to get up in the morning, and that dictates their day all the way. Some people want to start their own business and don't know how to go about it and what to do, but they want to start a business. They say, well, when things get better, or they'll say, when I start making more money, I'm going to do this. Hey, look, when I start getting more knowledge or having more people come around me that can help me, I'm going to do this. That is the wrong way of thinking. Listen, if you want to get anywhere in this world, you have to make a decision that you want something right now, and there's nothing that's going to stop you from getting it. You are not going to get anywhere by laying on a sofa. Listen, if you're laying on a sofa and you're saying, I want this, you have not made the decision to go after what you want, and you have not impregnated in your subconscious mind that this is what you want to do. Because once you decide on something that you want, it is yours. You have to manifest it in material form in this physical life, but it is already done. How do you do that? You do that by making a decision that is saying, this is what I want, this is what I will have, and this is what I'm going to do. Don't worry about getting to the final destination. Your job is to envision it at the final level, at the final step. Why? It's because it is already there. You're not bringing that to you. You're bringing yourself to it. And when you get there, it has to manifest in the physical form as long as you're taking steps to get in that direction. So you're probably saying, well, Yvette, what steps can I take? I don't know what to do. That's the God that dwells inside of us. Job to get us where we need to be. That is all you need to know is the destination. Once you know your destination, once you make a decision in everything in life, How you get there is up to the God that dwells inside of you. You will start noticing you're running into the right people. Opportunities are coming to you. Things are getting a little easier in life. This is because you are functioning at a higher vibration. You have to be on the same conscious level. When I say conscious, meaning whatever it is I want, whatever it is I desire, I am already there. I am already there. It's just a matter of God bringing it to me in the physical form. But mentally, emotionally, and on a vibrational level, I am already there. Your consciousness has to be at that level where you want to go. And how do you start it off? You start it off by saying, this is what I want, this is what I'm going to do, and this is what I'm going to have. Many people out there cannot make decisions. When I say they can't make a decision, some people can't even make a basic decision on what direction I'm going to take for the day. Hey, look, if there's traffic, I would not think twice to jump off the parkway and cut around. You know what? Hey, look, I might end up driving longer than what I would have if I would have stayed in the traffic. But I tell you one thing, I just got off the parkway. I just drove through a neighborhood that I never knew about, and I had a great time. And you know what? I might come back to that same neighborhood to find out that's where I'm going to live for the next 10 years. That's how it works. That's totally how it works. You have to make decisions in life. You have to take steps and action to move yourself closer to that goal. When I say action could just be if you're looking for a job, doing a resume. Action could be looking in the newspaper. Action could be reading another book on the topic that you're interested in. Action could be going to your boyfriend and saying, I love you. Letting that boyfriend know that he is loved, and maybe then he will ask you to marry him. Without making informed decisions, you cannot go anywhere. There's absolutely no way you can. And if you do, you're functioning on default and no telling what it is you're going to manifest in your life. Let's just say you want to buy a house. Do you know how many people I get that write me and they say, I want a house, but I don't have the money. As soon as things is going right, this is what I'm going to do. What? You're not watching this channel. No, you're not. If you want a house, get out and start looking in the area where you want to live. Listen, it all starts from a decision. If you want to go back to school, stop saying you don't have money. If you want to go to school, go to school. Go up there, find out what it is you have to take, get a listing of the classes, and then make a move for it. It'll all work out as long as you make a decision and take action. People don't understand the power of decision, and people don't understand as long as they're saying they want something, but still looking forward at something that is not going to get them there, they won't reach their goal. There is absolutely no way unless you're working on default. If you want that job, you can't say, oh, when things work out, when this boss leaves because he just don't like me. When he leaves, then I'm going to go for it. No, you want this job. This job is at a vibration where you're not at right now. Your job is to rise your consciousness up to the level of knowing you already have that job. By doing that, you're working at a higher frequency. You are working at a frequency of success, of accomplishment. And now you are working at a vibrational frequency at the level of what it is that you desire. You are now saying, I see myself with this job. I have this job. Now you are working at a consciousness of already having it. So whatever it is that's going on in your life has to be elevated up to that level of where it is you want to be. You can't focus on where you're at. You can't focus on what it is in reality right now. We don't want that. How you get to where you want to go is by using your imagination of seeing yourself already in that position or having whatever it is that you desire right now. Your most powerful instrument that God has blessed you with is the power of your imagination. If you can see it, you can have it. If you believe it, it is yours. Again, it's like a radio frequency. You are here. You want to be there. You have to make the decision what it is you want to have. And let me just get this straight again. When I say make decisions, I'm talking on every level. Hey, what ice cream you want? Chocolate or vanilla? I don't know. Which one you think we should get? No, people. I want chocolate. I love chocolate. Okay, I know I'm trying to lose a couple of pounds, but right now I want a chocolate ice cream. You make that decision. Hey, listen, Becky Sue, do you want this position? Hey, look, it might be a little, yes or no? Yes or no? Plain and simple. If you are trying to make changes in your life, let's start by making decisions, okay? So many people say they want something and they don't make the decision to go after it. If you're watching this channel, if you're following my world of metaphysics, I'm looking forward to all of you. Not some of you. I'm looking forward to all of you that are utilizing the videos and putting it into practice in your lives to write me, to tell me how your life has changed. It all starts with a thought and a decision to go after what it is you want. To not look at what is apparent in physical life, but to see the vision of what it is you want in your life and actually take the steps to go forward. Again, don't worry about how you're going to get there. If this is something you really want and you're taking action, God would move mountains, okay, to get you there. The one thing that I do want to include is patience, persistence. These are things that are very important if you're trying to make a change in your life. I just want to make sure a lot of people don't get to where they want to go because they give up. What are you willing to do to get to where you want to go? Are you willing to stay up late? Are you willing to learn something totally new? What is it you're trying to do to get where you need to go? God will bring the right people in your path to make sure you reach it. This is Eyvette from my world of metaphysics, always bringing you a law of attraction, metaphysical life coaching session in an easy to understand manner. Today we spoke about something that you must know to change your life, and that is making an informed decision. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video right now. Listen, click the thumbs up, click the subscribe if you're new to this channel. Again, this is Eyvette, and namaste.